Alright guys, good morning. Some of you guys are still having trouble accessing the library and StudySync, so I just want to show you where your information is going to be. If you go up to the top of the screen right here, and instead of assignments like you would normally go to, you click on library, you can go and type in, for example, last week's assignment was Anne Frank, and it will bring it up. It gives you different options. And we want to click on Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl. That was the one that we were working with. If you go through here, you can look at the introduction, which is what you were asked to do, play the video. You can also look at the vocabulary that is going to be in the section that might give you a little bit of trouble. But if you go over here to the left-hand side and click Read, and this is for any story that is in StudySync, you can click on the audio, this gray box in the top corner right here, and it will read it to you. So if I go to, for example, this week's story, and I want to look for, it's called Blood, Toil, there we go, Blood, Toil, Sweat, and Tears. I can go and look at all of the same stuff over here to the side. And I'm actually going to do that in a separate video here shortly for you guys so that I can show you guys how to post and make your thoughts if you have access to a computer. If not, then you can take what I'm saying and still use it in your paper copies of your work. This is just to help you. It is not for an additional grade.